Hey guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can enable or disable the sensitive content filter on Telegram. So as you probably know, Telegram has a filter by default that doesn't allow you to see sensitive content on public channels. So in this video I'm gonna show you how you can disable this filter so you can see any type of content. So let's begin. First of all, I want to say I'm doing this on my laptop, but this is the same process for any device. You can do this on your phone, on your Android phone or iOS. It's basically the same process. In some cases, you can do it from your Telegram app and you will need to use your browser. You will just need to go to Telegram, web.telegram.org, and here you will need to log into your account. In my case, I'm going to do it from the application. So the first thing we're gonna do is go into the top left corner, then go to settings. Here we will see privacy and security, and scroll down until you see this sensitive content. So by default, the filter is enabled. So if you want to disable this filter, you need to click right here, and now this is enabled, which means the filter is now disabled. And as it says here, now we can see sensitive media in public channels on all your Telegram devices. And again, if this option doesn't appear on your application, then you will need to log into your account using the Telegram website and then follow the same process. So that's it. I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.